Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to add new contact or add people in Viber. If you wanna go ahead and add people in your Viber, then what you can do is, first of all, the easiest way is you could go ahead and save the number in the contact list. And once you've actually saved the number in the contact list, you could then go ahead and add them to Viber if they use Viber. Alright, so what you need to do is, for that case, you have to go ahead and open up a Viber. Let's consider that you've already saved the contact, right? Then to add them on Viber, you have to go ahead and press on the search box, type in their name. Like here, you could see this particular contact is already in my number, so I'm gonna go ahead and press on their profile. So this is the one you could see. This is how you could go ahead and add them to Viber. But then if you want to directly do it from the Viber, then you have to go to the more button at the bottom of the page. If you scroll down a bit, you could find this invite friends option as well. You could invite your friends by sending a link, or else you could click on add contact, type in the number, or you could go and scan the QR code that you could find it on the profile page and scan it, and you'll be able to automatically add them to Viber. So this way you could go ahead and add new contact or add people in Viber. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.